22nd, 2017, calling Carl Glatstein back. Schedule.
I pushed 01, which is the extension.
This is Dr. Heidi Wodiuk. I reviewed those dates, and I'm in court every single one of those days for a trial. Not on me, but I'm in another trial, and I'm going to it. So the other thing, as my GAL, since it's regarding the case here, the trial court case in Pueblo, Colorado, 15 CR 1287, I'm going to ask you to be present Friday, September 1st at the Pueblo Combined Courts at 8 o'clock hearing, due to the federal courts mandating that your appointment is due to the state court, which gives you subject jurisdiction as a GAL to appear. And as my GAL maliciously in this federal court without my consent, then I'm going to ask you to appear September 1st, 8 a.m. to the court hearing, as well as appear to the court hearing, which is also in the same manner, in the court case, let's see, next week I think it is, on the 28th of August, 3:30 p.m. I'm going to ask you to be present that day as well, as it deals with competency, and you would be needing to be present as it deals with the case 15 CR 1287. And I'm also going to ask you to get restraining orders, federal restraining orders on the defendant and her place of work from further harassing the witnesses, William Hayes and myself and my child, and refrain themselves by a federal restraining order from malicious prosecutions and illegal filings and fabricating more stuff to the Pueblo Combined Courts. So I want them to stop. I have a preponderance of reason for you to get this. As my GAL, I want you to file a restraining order immediately, restraining the defendant and her place of work from further harassment from us. And so, let's see, the 4th of September, I can meet anytime the 4th of September, but we are going to meet at the FBI building on 36th in Denver. So since you're in Denver, I'll meet you there. That way the FBI can tell you to your face there is no delusion in this case and that it's at headquarters, so you'll believe every word I'm telling you. It's very necessary, and I am recording this. It is August 22nd, 2017, and so I'd like to meet you the 4th of September, as I'm unable to meet next week due to a trial that I will be observing in. So 719-281-5748. Again, September 4th, anytime, we'll meet at the FBI building. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
So that was the end of the message I left. However, in the previous message, you'll see that Carl Glatstein lied to me about what a GAL does. Said he'd be my legal voice, but he never indicated what he would be doing or how he would be behooving me in any way legally in being my voice. And then he said he spoke to the courts. Then he lied saying he didn't speak to the magistrate. However, then he said he spoke to the actors within the case, but then didn't say who he was speaking to. So he was dancing around the bush trying to evade the topic and certain specific questions. And never once did he give one example of how he could be an asset as a GAL to protecting me as a victim, as a woman, or protecting my child from being kidnapped, and how he would intervene and step up and report to the FBI, or how he would get Olivia back, or how he would be protecting me with federal orders from the defendant and her place of work, the Pueblo Sheriff's Department, further harassing us in false reporting for malicious prosecutions or anything. Anything. This guy has an agenda. He's sick. And Carl Glatstein would probably need to lose his license if he aids and abates this kind of Sherman Act violations and the harming of such a victim of myself and my child. Sick.